1. What is the medical term for reduced platelet count in humans? A. Thrombosis. B. Embolism. C. Thrombocytopenia. D. Thrombopoiesis. 2. In which chamber of the heart does the oxygenated blood first enter after returning from the lungs? A. Right atrium. B. Left atrium. C. Right ventricle. D. Left ventricle. 3. What is the average resting heart rate for a healthy adult? A. 41 beats per minute. B. 72 beats per minute. Circa 144 beats per minute. D. 220 beats per minute. 4. Which protein is responsible for transporting iron to liver and bone marrow? A. Ferritin. B. Hemoglobin. C. Myoglobin. D. Transferrin. 5. What is the function of red blood cells erythrocytes in the circulatory system? A. Transporting oxygen. B. Fighting infections. C. Clotting blood. D. Regulating blood pressure. 6. Which component of blood is responsible for clotting and preventing excessive bleeding? A. Red blood cells. B. Platelets. C. White blood cells. D. Plasma. 7. Which of the following is not a major blood vessel in the human circulatory system? A. Jugular vein. B. Carotid artery. C. Femoral artery. D. Ulnar vein. 8. What is the primary function of the aortic valve in the heart? A. Preventing backflow of blood into the left ventricle. B. Regulating blood pressure in the aorta. C. Controlling blood flow to the lungs. D. Assisting in the contraction of the right atrium. 9. What is the medical term for narrowing of the arteries? A. Stenosis. B. Aneurysm. C. Embolism. D. Hematoma. 10. What is the double membranous covering of the heart called? A. Peritoneum. B. Mesentery. C. Pleura. D. Pericardium. Answers: 1. C. Thrombocytopenia. 2. B. Left atrium. 3. B. 72 beats per minute. 4. A. Superior vena cava. 5. A. Transporting oxygen. 6. B. Platelets. 7. D. Ulnar vein. 8. A. Preventing backflow of blood into the left ventricle. 9. A. Stenosis. 10. D. Pericardium.